Hello, everyone. It's day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas. Today, I'm styling our tiny coffee slash cocoa station, and I have a bone to pick with you at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Wait, stop. I want off the Polar Express. I have a question. Am I the only one who didn't know about hot chocolate on a stick? Yep, you heard me right. The entire hot chocolate kit on a stick. All you have to do is warm up your milk. They come in a variety of chocolates. They have dark chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate. Here I'm showing you a kit that I got from Home Goods that came with dark chocolate and peppermint. But you can really get these kits pretty much anywhere. So warm up your milk, pour it in your glass, and then pop in your hot chocolate on a stick. Give it just a few minutes to melt and stir, and boom, you've got the most delicious cup of hot chocolate. These also are great for gifts for maybe a teacher or a neighbor or someone in the office. So we've got our hot chocolate. It's almost time for us to cozy up and watch our favorite Christmas movie. But first, I have a gift for one of you. I'm ready to announce the winner of today's spontaneous giveaway. Congratulations to Debbie Bamrick 4020. This is your pillow courtesy of Grandin Road. I'm ready to send it to you. I need you to respond within 24 hours of me posting this video. I'll see you all back here tomorrow for more 12 Days of Christmas. Until then, love and peace.